Did you know that over 50 million people in the US suffer from allergies every year? Imagine transforming your home into a sanctuary free from allergens. Creating an allergy-free home involves making conscious choices about your living environment. Here's our countdown on the top 7 effective strategies to reduce allergens in your home and improve the quality of your indoor air. 7. Control dust mites. Dust mites are microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments and are among the most common indoor allergens. To control their population, begin by regularly washing your bedding, including pillowcases, sheets, and blankets, in hot water. Use allergen-proof mattress and pillow covers to create a barrier against dust mites. Additionally, vacuum your home frequently using a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter, which traps small particles, including dust mites. 6. Reduce pet allergens. For pet owners, dander, saliva, and urine can trigger allergic reactions. To minimize pet allergens, establish pet-free zones, particularly in bedrooms, and consider using air purifiers with HEPA filters. Regularly bathe and groom your pets to reduce dander and invest in a vacuum cleaner specifically designed to pick up pet hair. If possible, limit your pet's access to certain areas of the house, and use washable throw rugs that can be cleaned frequently. 5. Improve indoor air quality. Indoor air quality significantly affects allergy symptoms. Regularly changing filters can help remove allergens from the air. Aim to replace filters every 3 months or more often if you have pets. Consider using an air purifier with a HEPA filter in rooms where you spend the most time, such as the living room and bedroom. Additionally, ensure proper ventilation in your home by opening windows where the weather permits, allowing fresh air to circulate. 4. Eliminate mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in damp areas and can trigger allergic reactions and respiratory issues. To prevent mold growth, keep humidity levels in your home below 50%. Use a dehumidifier in damp areas like basements and bathrooms, and regularly check for leaks or water damage. If you notice mold, clean it promptly using a mixture of water and vinegar or a commercial mold remover. Be sure to wear a mask to protect yourself from inhaling mold spores during the cleaning process. 3. Be mindful of seasonal allergens. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, be aware of pollen counts in your area. During high pollen seasons, keep windows closed and use air conditioning to filter the air. Shower and change clothes after spending time outdoors to remove pollen particles from your body and clothing. Consider using a HEPA filter in your vehicle for added protection while driving. 2. Choose allergy-friendly furnishings. The materials in your home can also contribute to allergens. Opt for furniture made from hypoallergenic materials, such as leather or microfiber, which are easier to clean than fabric upholstery. Avoid heavy drapes and opt for washable curtains instead. When selecting rugs, consider using low-pile options or those that can be easily washed. Additionally, choose decor items that are easy to clean and do not collect dust. 1. Keep your home clean and clutter-free. A clean and organized home can significantly reduce allergens. Regularly dust surfaces, including shelves, blinds, and baseboards, using a damp cloth to prevent dust from becoming airborne. Minimize clutter, as items like books, magazines, and knickknacks can collect dust and make cleaning more challenging. Establish a cleaning routine that includes vacuuming, dusting, and mopping to keep allergens at bay. Transforming your home into an allergy-free sanctuary is achievable with consistent effort and the right strategies. By controlling dust mites, reducing pet allergens, improving indoor air quality, eliminating mold, choosing allergy-friendly furnishings, maintaining cleanliness, and being mindful of seasonal allergens, you can create a healthier living environment. Making these changes not only improves your quality of life, but also allows you to breathe easier in the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.